If you're thinking about transforming your garden, then adding some raised beds is a great place to start. The best thing about these is, all you need is a hammer to knock the blocks together. There's no drilling, no sawing, no nails nor screws. All you do is knock the blocks together, layer by layer. Start by measuring out the area where you want the raised bed to go. Then, make sure that it's as flat as possible, and you're good to go. Now we can start laying out the blocks. Using the instructions, lay out the bottom layer. Then, you can start popping down the dowels and use the dowel protector to start knocking them in. If you're working on a bigger build, like a retaining wall, you will have to include a buttress every 1.5 metres. This is where the WoodBlocX free design service comes in handy. The team can make sure your design not only fits perfectly, but is also going to be safe and secure. The corners of the WoodBlocX raised beds is one of the strongest areas, which isn't the case with some other similar products. What you'll need is 3 dowels and an angle plate on the final layer for extra strength. It's easy. When you're on the final layer of your build, it's time to start cutting your dowels halfway down. If you look on the dowel halfway through, you'll see where. Once you've done this, it's then time to do your capping. The capping all comes pre-cut, so just check your instructions, then fit the full lengths of capping, starting at one end. Use a block of wood to protect the capping, and then just hammer it into place. And there it is, a hard-wearing, easy accessible raised bed ready to be filled up with soil for all your beautiful plants and veg.